Hi, Juliana, Elena, and Drew. I wanted to make a video tutorial for you for entering in Y1 grades at the end of this semester. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm also going to show you a trick that might actually help you do that with looking at your semester 1 grades and your semester 2 grades. So let's get started. Right now I have opened up PowerTeacher Pro. This is actually Michelle's and my test class that we use to test out things before we let it go live to teachers. So my screen might be a little bit different than yours, but it should be about the same. I'm actually going to open up 2 screens for you of PowerTeacher Pro. So I'm going to go into another PowerTeacher. There we go. So now I have 2 of them, and I'm going to make it actually 2 full windows because I'm going to split screen in just a second. So I have 2 windows here. I'm going to go into PowerTeacher Pro, and I'm going to make sure that it says Y1 right here under Michelle's name. It should say Y1 under your name, and again, this is just for Y1. This is after you have completed the criterion scores for A, B, C, and D for each of your classes for this semester. So that is complete, and now we're looking at year 1. So I want to go to year 1. I'm also going to go make sure that this is also year 1. So I have 2 windows. Yep, year 1, year 1. Okay, so one of them, I'm going to hold down the green and do a split screen, and then choose the other one. Now, this is year 1 over here. I'm going to go to A+ grading, standards, and this is where I'm going to enter in my year 1 criterion scores. So I'm going to make the columns 20 columns so that it's a little bit easier for me to see all of the data. And over here, instead of it being year 1 here, I'm going to go to S1. So you want to make sure that you're in an S1 class over here. So making sure that you choose an S1 class from your classes here. And you also want to make sure that this is also S1. Over here, you're going to go to A+ grading, standards. Now the nice thing is your S1 grades are already done for you. So again, I'm going to expand the number of columns to 20. And I'm going to see my grades. So I want to, this needs to be year 1, sorry. So year 1 over here, expand. I want to just copy those scores in for the criterion scores. So for example, this student received a 3 for A, so I would actually, for MYPA, enter in a 3. There we go. And then for MYPB, if I keep on scrolling, it was a 6. So I put in a 6. Again, I'm looking at semester 1 and entering it into Y1. And I would do this going across. So C, let's see, what did the student have for C? A 4, fantastic. And then let's look at D. What did the student have for MYPD? MYPD, a 5. Perfect. Go ahead and exempt this one down. So now that I've entered in my year 1 grades for this first semester course, I will go ahead and save. That's all you have to do. The next thing you would, for that course, just make sure that you're entering in semester 1 grades for a class from semester 1 for year 1. Then, when it's time to enter in semester 2 grades for Y1, you would switch to your semester 2 course here and switch this from semester 1 to semester 2. And again, just copy the grades from semester 2 into the year 1 spot for the semester 2 course. I know that's a little daunting and a little confusing. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm happy to Teams message, Teams chat, Teams video call, or WhatsApp, whatever you need, just let me know. But again, you're copying your S1 grades that you finalized last semester into your year 1 score sheet for those semester 1 courses. And then you're copying your semester 2 criterion scores into the Y1 for your semester 2 courses. Please let me know if you have any questions and I will help you out. Thank you.